Hi guys and welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. I hope you guys are having a good day. So for today's video I wanted to share with you Temu haul. I have big giant box from them. Look at it. There is a lot in this box. I will do this video in two parts. So this video is sponsored by Temu, which I'm so grateful for because I have had an amazing experience working with them last time. If you guys are not aware of Temu, they basically are an online marketplace. You can find pretty much everything on their website, and the best thing is it's like extremely affordable. Some of their items are as low as few cents, like 18 cents, 7 cents, which is crazy. And the best thing is I love the quality as well on their products. I don't know how they are doing it, but it's like really fantastic. I will link all of my products down below. Also, you can use my code as well to save an additional 30% if you are a new Temu user. And also, you guys, they always have really good sales going on as well on their website. Like currently they have a spring sale going on for 90% off. So yeah, let's get started with this haul. Okay guys, so first thing I picked up was this travel bag. How cute it is, and honestly the quality is fantastic. I can't believe, because it was really affordable and it's super spacious. I love these straps as well. It have a little zipper over here as well. I think this bag is adorable. I cannot wait to travel with this. So cute. Okay guys, next item I picked up was this water bottle. It's so nice and great quality. This thing feels almost like it has velvet touch, and it holds up to 64 ounces of water. I think it's amazing. These water bottles are really expensive if you buy them at Amazon. Even I found one of these at discount stores for $16.99. So it's crazy that this was so affordable, and I love the quality as well. Really nice to stay hydrated all day. I would love to take it with me every single day when I go for shopping. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. Next item I picked up was this storage box. How cute it is. I'll show you what you get on the inside, but this is the box for it. Really nice quality. So here is how you're going to receive it, with all instructions and small little parts. You need to build it. Here you can see the steps you need to follow, only 6 steps. It was quite easy to build it. Here you can see I have not finished building it, but still I wanted to give you guys an idea how it's going to look. I think it's gorgeous. It's not like really sturdy and amazing quality, but if you use it gently it would last you for pretty long, and for the price point I think it's an amazing product. I love the way it looks. I also picked up this from Lang Mani. So this is set of 10. You get 5 liquid lipsticks and 5 lip liners. You guys, last time I picked up one of the lipstick sets from them, like from this brand Lang Mani. That lipstick set is fantastic. I've been wearing it non-stop. One of the lipstick I have on right now. I'm so much in love with the formula. I own a lot of lipsticks from drugstore, high-end, but I've been reaching for that lipstick a lot. So I decided to order one more set from them. This is a different set. It comes with 5 lip liners and 5 liquid lipsticks. I'll try one of the lipstick and lip liner right now for you guys, so that you will have an idea how the formula is. So you guys, I'm going to try the lightest shade in this set, the lightest lip liner and also the lipstick. So I'm going to wipe my lipstick. So this is the lip liner. Here is the lip liner. Let me give it a try. This is a pretty nude shade of lip liner. I hope you can see. Here you can see the lip liner. It is not like extremely pigmented, if I be honest to you guys, but I don't mind it because it looks so pretty. I love this color. Now I'll try the lipstick. Oh my god, yes, you guys, this is the same formula that I like from them. I'm so glad I picked up this. Here you can see, I think it's really pretty, and this formula is fantastic. I don't have anything like this. I highly recommend you guys this lipstick, and it is scented as well. This one is peach scented, which I really like. It smells really good. Here you can see. And you guys, here is the swatch for one of the other lip liners. I think the shade I tried was the lightest, which is why it was not showing up that much. Rest all shades are very pigmented. Also for makeup, I picked up this gorgeous lipstick, you guys. I'll show you inside of it. It's stunning. This is the lipstick, you guys. I thought it was extremely cute. Look at it. And when you open it up, here is what you get. Oh my goodness, I was in love with this lipstick. Look at the package, and it reminds me of Winky Lux, but it's more pretty in my opinion. So gorgeous. So this lipstick works with your pH balance. I would give this one a try as well in camera. So yeah, let me wipe my lipstick. Okay, so the lipstick that I just tried, it was really hard to wipe it. It feels like it's going to be very long wearing lipstick. So yeah, let's give it a try. Let's see if it changes the color. I think it works. And the formula is like lip balm, extremely comfortable, and I like that it has not turned into very deep red color. I love this, your lips but better shade. For me, I think it's a very pretty lipstick. So yeah, you guys, I would recommend this lipstick as well. I also picked up this little contour stick 2-in-1. This reminded me of NYX, so I thought I would give it a try. So I love that it have expiration date as well. And let me show you what you get. So this is the product you get. There is a concealer on one side and other side is contour wand. Okay, so this shade is bit orange for me. Here you can see. So this is the shade. I think this shade would not work for me. I thought it's going to be cool undertone little contour stick, but it's orange. This one is shade 202. Here you can see shade name, and this is the concealer side. So this is the highlighting side. I think I can use this highlighter, but I cannot use this contour. And you can see how creamy it is. Like, look at it. It's really creamy. I think the quality is really good. You can see it blends easily as well. Looks like a good product. I might order one more of this in a different shade. This shade is not for me, but I would use this side of this product. I think it's really nice. I also picked up this little car organizer. Okay guys, so here is how it's going to look in the car. I think it's amazing. You can store your iPad here or laptop. Also, these small little pockets are so good for organizing little items in your car. Also, you can organize napkins and water bottles or soda cans. Here is my cat. How cute he is. So yes, I think this stuff is really good and useful. Then I also picked up this cute white rug for my room. I thought it would look so cute with my vanity, and that's how you are going to receive it. It's extremely lightweight, and when you open it up, here is how it is. It's pretty big in size and I like it a lot, you guys. It's extremely soft and looks very good quality, but it's extremely lightweight. Like, it's not too sturdy or something. It's like very lightweight, but I really like it a lot because it added a lot of beauty in my little room, and it looks really cute with this little vanity. So yeah, I really like this a lot. I also snagged this brush set. Comes in this little pouch, and these are the brushes you get. I think these brushes are good, you guys. You can definitely create looks with this. Looks like good quality, soft, and I love these small little detailing brushes. Really good for small details. So yeah, I think I would recommend these brushes. These are pretty good. So this is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this little haul. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I would love if you consider on subscribing in case you are not already. I post shopping videos all of the time on this channel, so if you enjoy watching shopping videos, definitely consider on subscribing. And for now, I'll let you guys go. I'll come back soon with second part for this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you have wonderful rest of your day. Take care and bye bye.